Ethernet cable. So please stay tuned. Here I have creating a new program. After creating a new program, it's taking little bit time. It's getting hang my laptop. Pardon me. I think I need to re-record the video. It's not responding. Why it's not responding? Okay, it's open. Now you have to create whatever you project you want to create here in the ladder diagram. Here I have taken CJ12 CJ1M PLC, which is Omron PLC. This is CX programmer software. Here if you want to take photo online, then here you can press Control D, and for direct online, and you can go here direct online, and then it will be with help of USB you can take the Omron's PLC online. If you go here, it's showing error. So here indirect connection, or you want to hub connection. This is method of Ethernet connection. Here hub connection, you need to enter the address, IP address whatever you want to take. Suppose 25 IP address machine, then you need to put the connect. Here I am offline, so it will want to connect with machine. If you want to take a machine online with Ethernet IP node, then if you want to take the another PLC from this PLC, like you need to connect your USB with the one PLC, and which is PLC is connected with the hub, and the hub is connected with another PLC via Ethernet IP. So you need to enter USB connection, that this module unit number. Suppose unit number is 0 or 1. Suppose unit number 1, then you need to put the IP address of whatever you PLC. Suppose you want to take 10 number PLC, then you need to put your 10. Or you can, if it is also connected here to here, if you are taking it from Ethernet cable, you are not using USB cable. Suppose I am clicking here, then it will show Ethernet. Your PC is connected to Ethernet to hub and to these PLCs. Then your IP address. If you can't find this, then you can browse here. If you browse here, then it will see or show you all the PLCs connected with the Ethernet hub. You can click on search in advance, then it will show it here TCP IP. Then you can search. Here I am offline, so it's not showing. Thank you so much for viewing video. Don't forget to subscribe my